Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you are doing great today. In today's lesson, we are going to learn something very important in Arabic, connecting letters. We will learn how Arabic letters join together to make beautiful words. This lesson is divided into several short videos, and in each video, we will learn a group of letters and how to connect them easily and step by step. So get ready and let's start learning Arabic together.
Alif. This is the form of Alif at the beginning of the word. It doesn't connect with the following letter. And that is the form of Alif in the middle of the word. It doesn't connect with the following letter, but it's connected to the previous one. This is the form of Alif at the end of the word. It's connected with the previous letter. Let's see the examples. Here is Alif at the beginning of the word. It's separated and doesn't connect with the following letter. Here is Alif in the middle of the word. It's connected to the previous letter, which is Sad, but it doesn't connect to the following letter. Here is Alif at the end of the word. It's connected to the previous letter, which is Ba.
That is the end of today's lesson. Practice more with the games in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe for more learning adventures. Salam!